Lifeline Power Wheel for at-home full-body functional fitness strength including abs and core, lower body, and upper body with foot straps for more workout options. Increase balance, coordination, and stamina while strengthening core, upper, and lower body. Simultaneously work up to 20 muscles in your entire body. Place hands shoulder width apart or feet in stirrups to more exercise options. Adjustable and secure foot straps and stirrups for quick on-off. Bluerize Ab Roller Wheel. 2 types of roller. No noise Ab Wheel. Easy to assemble home workout equipment. Portable abs workout equipment for home workout. 2 styles of the Ab Roller are created by us according to different fitness groups and fitness habits. You can choose one of them according to your own fitness habits. Non-slip to non-skid wheels of the Ab Roller Wheel for stable balance across any surface without wobbling or slipping for smooth, controlled movements. Not easily deformed. The Ab Wheel is sturdy, durable, and safe to use. The material is non-toxic and tasteless, and will not deform easily. Easy to assemble. The Ab workout equipment is lightweight and portable, which is easy to assemble and easy to use. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions about the product or are not satisfied with the product, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with the AB Wheel Roller with push-up bar, exercise home gym equipment for 6-pack abs, and core workout roller with innovative non-slip rubber, extra thick knee pad. Abdominal core workouts. This abdominal wheel is an effective abdominal exercise tool for your core fitness strength. It will not only help you improve your abs and lower back strength, but also decrease your risk of muscular injury. Well-constructed Ab Wheel workout roller is made of high-quality hard plastic and steel for durability, safety, and load capacity. Not like other Ab Roller whose surface was made of plastic, our roller wheel surface was made of high-density rubber, which will not damage the floor. Also, it will not make any noise when you use it. Equipped with foam handles to minimize hand fatigue while maximizing grip comfort and controlling. Single giant wheel. Not like other Ab wheels, our Ab wheel has only one single giant wheel. Extra large 2-width wheel enhances stability when you are rolling out.